What kind of music do bunny rabbits like? Hip-hop. Here we have an album by the Leon G. Cook family. The album is called When the Trumpet Sounds, and there's a interesting color combination going on here on this cover. We've got shimmery darkish blue against bright yellow, and let's look at the Leon G. Cook family a little bit more closely. They were part of a church called the Church of Nazarene in Kentucky, and they all look like upstanding, honest people. I think I've seen him before somewhere. And there's the child of the family. They're obviously dressed in dark clothing. And the graphic motifs up here are little trumpets that match the title of the album, When the Trumpet Sounds. This is a stereo record, by the way. And let's go to the rear side, the back side, and there's some lengthy notes on the back. Nothing groundbreaking or earth-shattering. I'm not sure why they have a trombone down here, because a trombone is not a trumpet, but I guess they made a choice there. Here's Reverend and Mrs. Leon G. Cook with their granddaughter. And that's the Leon G. Cook family and their yellow and dark blue cover and white cover, When the Trumpet Sounds. It's a stereo record.